With spring cleaning just around the corner, I'm going to teach you how you can save a lot of money on cleaning supplies to get your house looking amazing. Here are 10 cleaning supply deals that you can do this Saturday, February 18th at Dollar General. But before I get started, I just want to give an awesome shout out to all of my amazing Patreon subscribers. You know I absolutely adore you. If you're interested in becoming one of my Patreon subscribers and gaining access to things like my complete deals list every week, of which this week I have 100 deals typed up for my PDF downloadable printable. It is awesome. Makes couponing a lot easier. The link for my Patreon page is down below in the video description. It's going to take you over to my Patreon page where you're going to find all the information you need. So let's get started with the awesome deals. For our first cleaning supplies deal, grab one of the Febreze Unstoppable Small Spaces, 3 bags of finished Quantum dishwasher tablets, 2 bottles of Lysol all-purpose cleaner, and then 1 pack of Febreze plugins. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value for this deal comes to $27.60. And then after all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that one. Our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $12.30 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $15.30 for this deal. Now, if you've recently had cooties come through your house like I have, you're going to love this deal. It's going to help you stock up on some awesome disinfecting products for a cheap price. Grab 2 bottles of Lysol all-purpose cleaner, 1 of the larger size cans of microban spray, 1 of the packs of Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, and then 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $29, but then after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12 even plus tax. So that's a total savings of $17. I'm super excited for this deal. I'm going to call our third cleaning supplies deal my Let's Make Our House Smell Amazing deal. For this deal, grab 2 Airwick Essential Mist refills, 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, 1 Febreze plug-in, and then 1 of the Febreze Unstoppable Small Spaces. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $32.25. I know that's a little bit expensive, but that's why we coupon. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.45 plus tax. That is a total savings of $21.80. Let that one soak in. We're saving twice what we're actually spending out of pocket for this deal. I love couponing. This deal is one of the many reasons I coupon. Next up, we're going to stock up on paper towels and Swiffer dry refills. For our fourth deal, grab 1 box of Swiffer dry refills, 1 larger cans of microban spray, a 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, 2 boxes of Crest toothpaste, and 1 bottle of Eucerin lotion. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $30.65, but then after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.65. Plus tax, of course, so that's a total savings of $17. For our fifth clean supplies deal, grab 2 bottles of Downy In-Wash Scent Booster Beads. The ones that are $10.95, by the way, makes them $21.90 for both. And then 1 Febreze plug-in. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.15. Now, if this is a little bit too close to $25 for your liking, grab a pack of gum or a pack of candy at the register and you'll be fine, but you should be okay without it. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax, so that's a total savings of $13.20 for this deal. Our sixth cleaning supplies deal is super beginner friendly. Grab 2 packs of the 3-count Febreze plug-in refill packs. They are $27. So before coupons, obviously our total retail value is $27, but after our coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $16 plus tax. So it's a total savings of $11. Super, super easy, beginner-friendly deal. Now I have a quick question for you. If you have a dishwasher in your house, what is your favorite brand of dishwasher tablets? Or do you use powder versus the packs? I'm kind of curious because I just recently got my dishwasher back up and running. So I'm wondering, what is your favorite? For our 7th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 Febreze Unstoppable Small Spaces, 2 bottles of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, a Dawn Power Wash kit, and a 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels. When we add everything before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.85. And then after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.85 plus tax. So it's a total savings of $13. Now, if I were to suggest my all-time favorite clean supply that Dollar General sells, hands down, it's going to be the True Living brand of OxyCleaner. It's an awesome dupe for actual OxyClean. Awesome, awesome product. It saves you a ton. Like a box of True Living brand is only $5 versus $8 or $9 of actual OxyClean. Awesome savings. So we're going to get it and stock up this deal. For our 8th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 tub of the True Living OxyCleaner, 1 big bottle of Gain softener, or you can substitute it for the Downy softener as long as it's a $12.95 size, and then 1 bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer. That's got to be my second favorite product, by the way. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.70, and then after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $16.20 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $9.50. Now, that's not bad when you consider one product from this deal had absolutely no coupons. This is what I tell you. Just because you have a coupon for something does not mean you can't score a good deal on it. For our 9th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 Swiffer Dry refill, a 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, 1 Nivea lotion, 1 of the larger size bottles of microban spray, and 1 Febreze plug-in. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.20, but after our coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes all the way down to just $9.90 plus tax. So it's a total savings of $16.30. For our 10th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 pack of those Swiffer Dry refills, a pack of Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, 1 bottle of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, and 1 12-count pack of Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.40, and then after all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $9.90 plus tax. So it's a total savings of $16.50. Awesome deal to stock up on such great cleaning supplies for such a low out-of-pocket. I don't know what it is about this video, but I had a lot of tongue twisters, and I am coming to terms with I am leaving my tongue twisters in because I feel like it makes me more genuine. Do you agree? Leave a comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join my awesome Love, Live, Save couponing community. We'd love to have you. And while you're at it, make sure you click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way, when I post any of my future deal videos, of which this week I have a bunch of videos to share with you, or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, of which we will also do, you'll receive a notification and you'll be one of the first people to know and you won't miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.